Today we're diving into the Visionis FPC-5018 one-door access control kit, a comprehensive solution for securing out-swinging doors. This kit includes several key components: the VS ML1200 LED 1,200 pounds electromagnetic lock with LED sensor, a VS 8004 one-channel wireless receiver, two VS 8005 fixed code transmitters, and the VS 7000 green square request to exit button. It also comes with VSCP 200 power supplies for reliable operation. Let's start with the VS ML1200 LED electromagnetic lock. With its impressive holding force of 1,200 pounds and built-in LED sensor, it's designed for durability and security. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included manuals and wiring diagrams. The VS 8004 one-channel receiver ensures seamless wireless communication with up to 315 MHz frequency support, compatible with the VS 8005 fixed code transmitters for easy remote access control. The VS 7000 request to exit button adds another layer of convenience with its NC, C, and NO output options, along with a visible LED indicator for status feedback. This button is designed for indoor use and integrates smoothly into the overall system. Powering these components are the VSCP 212V 2000 mAh power supplies, ensuring stable performance without any compromise. The kit's connectivity technology is wireless, enhancing flexibility in installation and operation. In terms of performance, the system delivers robust security features suitable for various applications, including offices, residential buildings, and commercial spaces. The electromagnetic lock's LED sensor provides visual feedback on the lock status, adding to the user experience. Moreover, technical support from Visionis ensures that any installation or operational questions are promptly addressed. Overall, the Visionis FPC-5018 access control kit stands out as a reliable choice for securing out-swinging doors with its comprehensive features and user-friendly setup. Whether you're looking to upgrade your security system or install a new one, this kit offers the necessary components and support to meet your needs effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.